Good morning all of you. This is Ramesh sir. Today we are going to discuss coordinate geometry. Here in this coordinate geometry, what is coordinate? Coordinate means it is a point. Other name is point. Coordinate other name is also point. And we can call vertex. Here vertex point means what? Here on a plane, point on a plane. What is mean by plane? Plane is called as a collection of points. Here made in chemistry we are going to study atoms. Atom means small part of the particle of the anything. Okay, smallest particle. Here plane means collection of points. Here collection of particles. Atoms, collection of atoms, we call it as a molecule. Here plane, collection of points, all called plane. In a plane we are going to discuss coordinate geometry. Here geometry means what? We discuss in geometry different figures and curves, rectangle, square, circles, any geometrical figure. We call it as we are going to study that geometrical figures. Here in this coordinate geometry we are going to discuss according to coordinates. We are going to draw figures depending on coordinates. Coordinates other name points or vertex coordinates. In this coordinate we have 2 points on a plane, x comma y. Why we are taking this x comma y? Why? Because this is a plane is a two-dimensional. It is a two-dimensional. This plane is a two-dimensional. Means two-dimensional and three-dimensional. We studied from the 6th class two-dimensional figures and three-dimensional figures. Two-dimensional means only length and breadth we are going to consider. Here we are next three-dimensional means length, breadth, height also. Thickness, height means thickness of that body. We here xy means this is a plane we are having two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means what are the two-dimensional? How to show two-dimensional? On a plane we are going to draw horizontal two perpendicular line. One is horizontal and one is vertical. One is horizontal. Here these two are perpendicular each other. This intersecting point is called origin. Origin indicated by O, 0, 0. This point is 0. Here this horizontal line on a plane is called x-axis. X-axis. This side x-axis. This opposite side x dash means opposite values will get. Here this vertical line y-axis and this is opposite side y dash. Here this moving from the right, moving from the origin to the right, we are get positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here on y-axis moving upward will get positive values 1 +2 like that also you can write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here these are the here next to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. These two x-axis and y-axis they are dividing this plane into 4 parts. 4 part means first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate and fourth coordinate. We are dividing into 4 coordinates. Yes, these two axes, perpendicular axis, dividing into this plane 4 parts. q1, q2, q3, q4. Here how to locate the point? So point means some point. What it shows? It shows the exact location of thing or anything. Okay, it will locate the exact location. Show the exact location. So now, for example, we are going to take one example how to show. Suppose here 7 is there and 4 is there. In graph we are going to observe rectangle, square boxes. According to that we have to show this corner point. Here say 7 comma 4. This point we are going to write 7 comma 4. How? That point, suppose P, name it as a P point. That point distance from x-axis is 7 units, some units, and from the y-axis that point is distance from y-axis, that point is 4. That value is 4 units. What is the distance from y-axis? 4 units. What is the distance from x-axis? 7 units. It indicates, suppose x, y. In coordinate compulsory we have x and y value. Okay, this first coordinate is x, second coordinate is 4. First coordinate we call it as abscissa. In scientific word, abscissa. And 4 y coordinate means ordinate. No need to use this scientific words. In international system we are going to use, no need now. Okay, scientific names, that 7 comma 4, that point is 7 comma 4. By showing this point we can easily understand the given data, given information. Okay, we studied bar graphs and different curves and straight line graphs and parabola curves. These things we are going to study in coordinate geometry. These are different types of curves and shapes. Okay, how many coordinates? q1, q2, q3, q4. Here for coordinate 1, x and y coordinate always positive only. Why? Because this side x values, this side y values always positive only. In this coordinate both are positive. In this coordinate x is minus negative value, y value is positive. Why? Because this side values are negative, this side are positive. Okay, next coordinate 3. Here both x value and y value are negative. Here x value positive and y value negative. This indicates x and y value. That point, what it will shows x and y. The point distance from the x-axis, the point distance from the y-axis. It P point locate the that point x7 comma 4. Locate the where is the P point exactly it will shows. Okay, we can easily find out. Next we have distance formula. What is the distance formula? In 10th class we are going to study what is the distance formula. Here distance between 2 points, A point and B point on a plane. Suppose here A point 2 comma 3, here B point 3 comma 5, like that, or 4 comma 5, take different. Distance between these two means actually this one A points, let it as the x1 y1 x2 y2. The starting point, ending point. We have 2 points. We have to find distance of the AB. What is the formula? AB equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between these 2 points is AB equal to root of x2 means 4 minus x2 means 4, substitute here, x2 value 4, y2 minus x1 value 2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 5, 5 minus y1 means 3, 5 minus 3 whole square. AB equal to under root of 4 minus 2, 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3, 2 whole square. Here 2 square means 4 plus 4. Here root 8 units. What is the distance between AB? Root 8. This is the distance formula. Here what are the, we have studied coordinate means point or vertex coordinate. 3 names are there for one word. Here coordinate we can locate on a plane. What is plane? Plane is a collection of points. We studied. Here plane means 2-dimensional figure. Okay, thank you so much.